So for our PM learning video today, we're going to get our monthly mini lessons packet out. Looks like this. And we're going to turn to page 7. And it's called A Trip to Antarctica. The instructions say to draw and label the items you would take to Antarctica to study the penguins. So right up here, it says scientist. That's where you're going to write your name. We are pretending to be scientists, and we are going to decide what kinds of things we would need to take with us to Antarctica. Now, I know Antarctica is very cold, so I would want to bring lots of warm clothing and shoes and hats. So I'm going to draw a jacket. With a big furry hood. Gloves. Boots. So there's some things. So I'm going to label this warm clothes. Okay, that's the first thing that popped in my head is warm clothes. The next thing I would say is bring non-perishable foods, okay? Because I don't know what there's going to be there. Okay, so non-perishable food, there's a box of macaroni and some cans of soup. So I'm going to label that non-perishable food. Non-perishable food. And I'm going to say some matches to start a fire. There's matches. And then I'm just going to start filling in things here. Maybe some water, because I don't know if it's called potable water. There may be potable water in Antarctica, but I'm not sure. Potable water means it's drinkable. So there's potable water. What else will we need? Maybe a tent to sleep in or some kind of shelter. So we could put so I'm going to write tent or shelter. Better be a big suitcase. So there's my tent. Kind of looks like a tent. I don't really know how to draw a tent. Yeah, so you can kind of get the gist. So keep adding things that you think are important. Maybe you wear glasses. You're going to need those. Or goggles. Toothpaste, toothbrush. You're going to need a whole toiletry kit, right? So you can draw a bag. I have a little bag with a handle on it and say, there's a zipper with my toothbrush inside, a toothpaste, and that we call it toiletries. We do it in bathroom, toiletries. I'm not sure if I spelled that correctly, but and that is your job for Antarctica today. After that, we're going to take out our math packets, well, math books, Eureka Grade 1, Math 1, Module 2, and we're going to turn to page 61. Make sure you write your name up here at the top. And the date is 1-21-2021. And our instructions say match the picture with the number sentences. So this is 13 minus 9 equals 4. So you're going to look for 13. So this is 5, 10, 15. It's not that one. This is 5, 10, 15. Not that one. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this one might work. Let's see if they crossed out 9 because they're taking away 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, took away 9, and 4 is what's left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, so that's the picture that goes with it. Okay, and the next one we're looking for a problem that has 14. 14 minus 9. We know this one and this one are not 14. This one's already taken. This is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. That's way more than 14. So this is 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is correct. So 14, take away 5, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I haven't had my second cup of coffee today. My brain is not working, apparently. Okay, so 14 minus 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. That matches. 14 minus 9 does equal 5. Okay, so we have 14 minus 9 equals 5. We've drawn a line to that bottom one. And then 17 minus 9 equals 8. And we've drawn a line to that one there. So 14 minus 9 equals 5. The next one is 17 minus 9 equals 8. This is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So that matches. And then there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that are taken away. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that are left over. Okay? This one is 18 minus 9 equals 9. So we got to find the remaining two. So this is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that matches. We'll draw a line from here to here. And that means that 16 minus 9 equals 7 must be the first one. So go ahead and pause there, and that's what yours should look like. Moving along, draw 5 group rows, visualize, then cross out to solve. Complete the number sentences. 11 minus 9. So if we're drawing things in 5 groups, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like that. So here's a group of 5, here's a group of 5, and there's the odd number out here. So 5, 10, 11. Now take away 9 of those, okay? So you can just take away 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is what's left over, 2. So 11 minus 9 is 2, okay? The next one is 13, so we're going to draw a group of 5. Another group of 5, and that equals 10. And then the 3 left over, okay? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Take away 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 4 left over. So 13 minus 9 equals 4. And then 16 minus 9, you're going to do the same thing. And 17 minus 9, okay? So you try it, I'll do mine here, and then we'll compare answers. Okay, if you're not done, pause the video. If you are done, check your last two with mine. Should have 16 minus 9 equals 7, and 17 minus 9 equals 8. When you're done with that, turn to page 62, and continue on. 6, 7, 8, 9 are all the same. So I'm going to go ahead and do mine here. So go ahead and pause yours if you are not finished with the 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if you are, then you can compare your answers with mine. So I got 5 for number 6, I got 4 for number 7, I got 3 for number 8, and I got 6 for number 9. Then down here it says, show making 10 and taking from 10 to complete the 2 number sentences. Okay, so we've got 5 plus 9 and 14 minus 9. So, show making 10 and taking from 10 to complete the 2 number sentences. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember what we did before, how we took 1 from the smaller number because we know 1 more than 9 is equal to 10. So if I take 1 out of the 5, give it to the 9, that equals 10. And this is 4, so 10 plus 4 would be 14. Okay, and then the answer is 14 for this one. And then over here, we're going to draw 14 and take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Take away 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there are 5 left over. As you can see, those two equations are related. 5 plus 9 equals 14. 14 minus 9 equals 5. It's all the same numbers, just different arrangements. Then the last one down here says, make a number bond for problem 10. Write 2 additional number sentences that use this number bond. All right, so the whole of the number bond is 14. 14 is the total, right? And then we have a 5, and then we have a 9. And 5 plus 9 equals 14. That's how we know that that is correct. So in my number bond picture here, I put 14, 5, and 9. The whole and a part and a part. Okay, now over here we can say 14 minus 9 equals 5. We could say 14 minus 5 equals 9. We could say 9 plus 5 equals 14. Those are the 2 different ones. We already have 5 plus 9 and 14 minus 9 up above. So we're going to do the opposite. We're going to do 9 plus 5 equals 14. And we're going to do 14 minus 5 equals 9. And that, my friends, is all of the different combinations of equations that you could make from these 3 numbers. Okay? 5 plus 9 equals 14. 9 plus 5 equals 14. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 14 minus 5 equals 9. You just move the numbers around and it's still true. Okay, when you're done with that, then you are done with your math work for today. Stay tuned for the read aloud.